roast breadfruit and ackee, right? You turn them to another side again. But it hurt me right now. Me have to use frozen ackees though, you know. As I grew up on a property, and they down from my great grandparents with 4 huge ackee tree. I used to pick fresh ackee from the tree and cook, and right now me have to use frozen ackee. Anyway, it's still ackee. So I boil out the saltfish 2 times in water. It shouldn't be too salt now. I put it in the ackee this time. Just final up. Yeah. Yes, so tearing up the saltfish in some cold water, stripping the skin and getting it ready. It's still kind of warm, but working with it. Yes, so I wash the saltfish, get out the salt after I boil them, tear them up, remove the bones and the skin. And now they're going into the pot. Also frying some plantains for the next breakfast. Breakfast, girls, who's ready for their breakfast?
Me, mommy. Me too.
Okay.
Yum, yum.
Thank you all for watching, guys. God bless you. Stay safe out there in the pandemic. I wish you could taste this right now. So
It
delicious.
looks so good. It looks so yummy.
And it tastes better than how it looks.